everyone. Welcome back. I hope you are all doing well. We are going to start today with making some red, yellow, and green cards that you'll be using in all of your core classes, so science, math, language arts, and in your social studies geography class, as check-ins. So your teachers will ask you questions about how are you doing with understanding the content, or maybe it's how's your day going, and we're going to use these red, yellow, and green cards as your check-ins. So here's an example of a red card. Here's yellow, and here's green. You are going to make yourself a set of red, yellow, and green cards. If you have construction paper and you just want to cut out a round shape or a square shape for each one, that's fine. If you don't have red, yellow, and green construction paper, you are more than welcome to color using red, yellow, and green on paper. If you are using markers, remember that sometimes the marker is going to curl the paper. So what I've done on my samples is I've put masking tape along the back just to straighten it up so that it stays in better shape. You do not have to have squares for yours. If you would like to make emojis on them and make them faces, you can do that. You just need something that's about the size of a regular Post-it note, that one is red, one is yellow, and one is green. Make sure you have these ready to go on Tuesday when school starts again next week after Labor Day. So that's job number one. Count on, maybe 10 minutes or so to make those. Then you are going to watch a video, and this video is through the Amoeba Sisters. It's approximately 10 minutes. It's going to review the steps of the scientific method with you, and it is also going to introduce some new concepts related to experimental design with you. So carefully watch that video. Pay attention to the new information that's coming up, vocabulary and concepts related to experimental design. Then you are going to play a game for approximately 20 minutes. The game is reviewing the scientific method and also practicing the new vocabulary that you are getting from the Amoeba Sisters video. When you get to the game site, you need to scroll down to select your game. And there's all kinds of games. There's 15, 20 different games. You pick the games that you want to play. You don't have to stay on the same game for the entire 20 minutes. You can do the heroic ants for 5 minutes, and then the soccer game, and then maybe the wild taxi driver. Pick and choose whatever games you want. The questions are the same no matter which game you choose. And they're questions that I am inputting in, so they are specific to what we've been working on and specific to what you are learning today in the video. Make sure when you're on that site that you scroll down. Do not click up at the top where it says start or download. That is an ad, and you do not want that. So make sure you scroll down and you pick from all the different games that are available. So you're going to play those games for approximately 20 minutes. With those games, you have to answer a question correct to be able to play the game. So the more you understand, the more playtime you have. Then your final activity today is completing a Google form, and this is a weekly check-in. We will do these weekly or every couple of weeks just to check in and see how you're doing. So this is your first check-in form. It will have just some general questions on how you're doing. It does not count as a grade, but it does count as attendance for today. So make sure that you submit that Google form. If you have questions, make sure you send me an email or a message through Google Classroom. Remember, this is an asynchronous day, so you can complete the assignment at any time today, but it will become live at 8:15. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you on Tuesday after Labor Day.